Let's go,
Matt and Jesse. Hi, Matt and Jesse.
We are so grateful for what you're doing. Have an awesome ride. Thank you for the money that you're raising on behalf of CPE.
Say hi to the fans for us. Shut up.
Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it.
Get those miles, boys. Hashtag CPE4ride.
Yo, good luck, guys. Thanks for all that you're doing.
Good luck, guys.
Don't be abducted by aliens.
Stay hydrated.
Matt and Jesse, we're so happy that you called us to do this volunteer project, fundraising project for CPE. We're ecstatic and we wish you the best. And my best advice to you is, don't forget to call your moms. Good luck.
Matt and Jesse, on behalf of CPE, just want to say thank you, and just all of us on behalf of our students. So I want to say good luck, we're going to be tracking you, and have a great ride. Thanks.